Hey guys, it's Allison, and I went to go and get my June kit from Simon Says Stamp. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, sucker. And starting from the top down, first thing I see is this Sizzix 3D embossing folder. Yeah, so that's a new product for me anyways. This is their botanical print. So let's just open it up and take a look at it. It's really, really thick. So for comparison's sake, this is a regular embossing folder. You can see that each plate is probably about 3 or 4 times as thick. And then, don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but the raised image on it is quite a bit higher than the raised image on a regular embossing plate. Where's the raised side? So that's going to be fun to play with. I'm going to have to do a little bit of practicing, I think. I've got the instructions in here on how to make your sandwich. It's probably going to be a little bit different than a regular embossing sandwich. So we've got some paint swatches here. Let's see what it says that we have. So these are Daniel Smith watercolor paints in quinacridone. It's a red. Prussian blue and Aureolin, butchering these names, cobalt yellow. Okay, it's primary colors. You can mix those together to make all sorts of colors. What else we got? We got a watercolor card. Goodbye winter, so long snow. It's time to watch the flowers grow. A couple of envelopes. One, I think they're both kind of metallic. They got a bit of a shimmer to them. A packet of 6x6 papers from Moda Scrap. They look very artsy and watercolory. That's a word, right? Watercolory. So I'm not familiar with Moda Scrap. Ooh, that's beautiful. These are single-sided, lots of watercolor, just like the striations. We've got a hot air balloon. That's lovely. Some flowers. So it seems like a good mix of like images versus backgrounds. That's really nice. And then the last one. All right. So that is a new company to me. It's Moda Scrap. And then another big stamp set. Now I wonder if this is what they are moving towards, these big 6x8 stamp sets. I'll have to adjust my storage method a little bit. But that's fine. So immediately I see a happy birthday. That's fantastic. And then I think there's another one up here. Another birthday. Lots of little sentiments that you can mix and match. And then these ones you could fill in. You could mix the happy with the birthday or with that birthday. But these you could color in. And then a great botanical print stamp, sorry, that you can add some watercolor to. And then this is Distress Resist Spray. So that's another new product to me. I'm going to have to research how to use that. So this is the idea sheet, and then I will use this to tell me what colors of cardstock I have. So I have got, what do I have? Simon Says Stamp envelopes. That's the watercolor. Okay, so one sheet of Tonic Gold Pearl Mirror card. Oh, that must be this. So I could see this have been put into the kit for the 3D embossing folder. I wonder what these other cardstocks would look like with that though. I've got white and cornflower blue, smoke, and peacock. That is a beautiful color, that peacock. Okay, so that is the June kit. Lots of new products for me to play with. Some paints again, this 3D embossing plate, and some resist spray. So I'm gonna see what that's all about and start playing. Okay, so as always, I will be posting the cards I make onto my social media sites. Currently, I haven't posted anything to my blog in a while, but I have been posting a card pretty much every day to my Instagram account, so you can follow me over there and see the cards that I've made with my May kit. I will be doing a blog post soon to recap all the cards that I've made with that May kit and show you what I have left. And yeah, so I'm at Day Designing on Instagram, and I'm quite happy for you to come and follow me there. Okay guys, thank you so much. Have a great day.